right, street tires, I guess, in this. Yep. All right, kid, you sure you want to do this? Dude, I ain't gonna lie, I almost drowned my bike, dude. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think he really knows. Oh my God, bro, please don't drown. Oh my God. You got it? Oh man, hell yeah. Let's go. Dude. Bro, what are you doing, bro? We ain't gonna be able to get through there. Dude, what is he doing?
It's probably gonna be like loose gravel.
Yeah, this is. So straight through there, we go straight to the state park from the fairgrounds. Just gotta find a way to get through this shit.
That's a bitch. Dude,
look at the back of the shirt, bro. Like the other hand is on the throttle hand. I'm not doing that. I swear I'm not doing that. Dude, that's yeah. And you guys is like scared. It's like anybody that's scared of trail ride, man. You can get through with street tires. Look at that, bro. Look, these are street tires. It's not even dirt tires, bro. Look at that, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Oh shit. You got it. Are you sure you got it? Oh, so I'm gonna I got your weight real quick. I'm gonna let this.
I got it.
You got it.
That does not sound good at all.
Bro, these are street tires. We're still making it. So anybody scared to come through the trails, man, y'all playing games. Y'all know y'all can come, man. Y'all just scared to get your bike dirty. That's what they for, bro.
Except the... Okay, well, I'm also in the middle of the woods.
We're in the middle of nowhere. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Well, I can't do anything right now. I'm like away from civilization.
Dude, ain't no Wi-Fi. All you can do is do a video. Ain't no damn Wi-Fi around here.
What do you need me to do? Damn, hang up on me then.
He hung up on you. Cause what good at us? We in the middle of nowhere, bro. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Yeah, this might be the beginning of the end, bro. We might have to just turn straight back around because I can see our bikes through here. There's a big old tree blocking exactly where the state park is. Well, yeah, if this tree didn't fall through here from the tornado, we could have went through the damn alley. So we gotta go in the damn woods. In the middle of nowhere with a elk or a damn deer.
Did you just say an elk?
An elk or a moose.
Oh, elk.
We got, damn dude, we don't know where the hell we stepping in right now. You sure we can? Our bike's right over there, but we had to go through all this shit. Oh my God. Well, Jesus. Let's fucking go, bro. Stop playing with me, man. Look at this shit, bro. Oh shit. I'm about to fuck myself up. Dude, we done made it right through that shit. We just had to go all up in this. Let's go, bro. That's the master right there, bro. the state park we go. That's it, bro. We done. Hey. Oh shit, rocks. Oh, man. Let's go. Bro, we look at the back of his shirt.